Healthcare, Kenyans from across the country confirmed that our nation's healthcare system is broken. Kenyans want drugs in hospitals. Kenyans told me that they need the next administration to sweep clean the healthcare sector in our country. Access to healthcare is more than just the SHA registration. We must align and implement 6 building blocks of having effective service delivery, a motivated health workforce at county and national level, health information systems that are priced fairly, access to essential medicines and technology, robust health financing models, and most importantly, servant leadership and good governance. On healthcare, Kenyans from across the country, various professional bodies brought in their views on the state of our economy. Their views reflect what every of the 55 million Kenyans feel deep in their pockets. Their argument on paying bills as a ruthless mallet on our businesses. Further, the raiding of the payslip has greatly reduced people's earnings, household incomes, and affected purchasing power. Workers want back their valuable payslip. The people cried about the tax regime. Traders told me that they are experiencing the murkiest tax regime in Kenya's history. They have been taxed into poverty. They requested for a predictable tax framework. They asked for a conducive business environment that spurs investment and trade. The people told me that at independence, we had a great nation. They could see the future for their children and great-grandchildren. Kenyans have told me to revisit the session paper number 10 of 1965 and the Kenya Vision 2030. This is not just about revisiting, but use this as a blueprint to give Kenya a vision that transcends political rhetoric. Kenyans feel that if the values of session paper number 10 of 1965 on African socialism was implemented to the letter, based on its key themes of African socialism, democratic governance, economic development, resource mobilization, and Africanization, nationalization, social services, and taxation and savings, Kenya would have attained a developed country status in the early 2010. To quote one of the youths who called on me this afternoon, we need to fix the software of this country, and that is where we must begin afresh. Further, Kenyans made another reference to the Kenya Vision 2030. They are pained that the gains made in this Vision 2030 on social, economic, and political pillars are going down the drain. Kenyans have told me that the foundations of the Kenya Vision 2030 on economic growth, social transformation, and political reforms to create a modern, industrialized, democratic, and an inclusive nation must be revisited. With only about 3 years to the year 2030, Kenyans are disappointed and are staring into a bleak future.